Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 23, Creating Lasting Happiness. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy teaches us how to use the power of the subconscious mind to create a life of enduring happiness. Dr. Murphy explains that happiness is not something that depends on external circumstances, but rather something that comes from within. Your subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in determining your level of happiness. To create lasting happiness, Dr. Murphy encourages us to focus on positive thoughts. If you fill your mind with thoughts of joy, gratitude, and contentment, your subconscious mind will work to bring more of those feelings into your life. Dr. Murphy also suggests practicing gratitude daily. When you consciously focus on the blessings in your life, you shift your subconscious programming from lack to abundance. Affirm, "I am grateful for the abundance and happiness in my life," and let those feelings of gratitude flow through you. Another technique Dr. Murphy recommends is helping others. When you focus on giving and helping others, you create a sense of fulfillment and happiness that radiates back to you. The more you give, the more your subconscious mind will align with the abundance of happiness. The key takeaway: happiness is a choice. By focusing on positive thoughts, practicing gratitude, and helping others, you can create lasting happiness and program your subconscious mind to attract more of it into your life. That wraps up Chapter 23. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to maintain peace of mind and achieve true inner tranquility. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next part of this powerful journey.